In this video, we're going to be replacing the old Ford emblem on this '06 Ford F-150 with the aftermarket emblem. So the tools you're going to need for the job is you're going to need a 10mm ratchet or socket. You're going to need you some sort of cleaning agent, alcohol prep pad, or some sort of something to clean up underneath the oval area before you put the new emblem on. And you're going to need you a flathead screwdriver for prying purposes. So first thing you do is you take your grill. You can do this on the truck. I have this grill off the truck because I'm getting ready to put it back on the truck, which will be another video, so you can check that out as well on the channel. But what you can do, or what you will do, is you flip the grill over, and on the back side you will see it has these right here. They're sticking through into the plastic. That's why you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Once you get the nuts off of these bolts here, then you'll be able to pry this up. Once you pry this up, this particular aftermarket oval had the sticky tape on the backing, so I took and lined my holes up that it had on the back of here, lined it back up in the same holes that the original emblem came off of, push down, and now it is secured. So you just did a makeover on your 04 through 08 Ford F-150 front grille. So if you like this video or you find any use for this video, feel free to share it on your social media channels. Give us a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to the channel. We'll have some more videos to post. And as always, thank you for viewing. God bless.